Alright. Bet. I'm fucking retarded. But, alright. Got in some nicotine pouches. Alright, ready to go. It's pretty late at night. It's Sunday night, so just gonna do some more back testing. Shit, my phone. Okay, yeah. So open is at 4:30 in the morning here. I've said that in like every one of my back testing videos, but I'm just gonna say that in every video just to make sure it gets through so I don't look a fucking idiot. So I don't look like an idiot. Okay, so right now we're looking pretty we're bearish and bullish at the same time. I like to have conditions in my trading. I think that PB, which is Patrick and Blake, or Dodgy, I don't know, but so we retapped into this CISD, changes the direction, the series of down close candles that got closed above kind of before the main move. So we literally tapped that like to the tick. Actually, yeah, like we dip below it a little bit, but mainly I trade for value gaps. We tapped into this for big 4 hour for value gap. We have this 1 hour intermediate high, this high inside of the for value gap. On the 15-minute time frame, we're trading inside of this 15-minute. So I just want to see how we kind of react off open here. I would like a very bullish reaction, especially like if you trade support and resistance, like this is your I don't know the box here, but oh yeah, right here. Like this is your support zone, but that's how I trade. Like right here we have a for value gap right here, and we've had this tapped into twice already, so you can consider that support. But yeah, we'll just see how price reacts off open here. Okay, so price did absolutely nothing so far. Let's see if we dip lower here. We did dip lower into this kind of discounted 5-minute, not too far. We'll see if we get a V-shaped reaction. I'd be willing to take a long towards this internal high here. We'll see if we dip lower and then we can get a higher time frame inverse here. Okay. No, looking like it. Okay, so we did get this 5-minute inverse to the upside. We inverse this 15 to the downside, but I mean, we're still sitting in this huge bullish 4 hour for value gap. So, and we also just inverse the 15-minute. Yeah, I'm willing to take this. Stop loss at this body low here and take profit at a 1-to-1. I will go break even at this internal high here. I won't go break even at this internal high here, but I mean, we have this. It is it's a 15-minute intermediate high. Okay, so this is the break even point, and then I will take full profit just at a 1-to-1 here. Okay, so we might have been at SMT here, so I probably would have been break. If ES would have taken this high, I'd be going break even, but I can't see ES right now, so. Okay, so right now I'd be break even. Okay, so full TP on that. They done with that. I wouldn't really like anything else. Part 2, I had to take a break. Okay, so market open. Sorry for this noisy ass mouse, but it is what it is. $430. Okay, so we didn't have much movement off of market open here. We are kind of range bound, which I don't like. Honestly, the past couple weeks, this is very similar. Price repeats itself like very often. So like right here, this is honestly crazy. This price just, it's honestly crazy, but it's hard to explain because I've seen only like 2 cycles of the market, but price swept this low. We are not inside of a 4-hour, but we swept a 1-hour intermediate low here. We inverse this 1 hour. I'm assuming there's a 15-minute below. Yeah, so we just tapped into this 15-minute. 1 second, my cat. Alright, bet. So immediately off a market open, I'm gonna be bullish. We don't have any gaps above at all, so I just want to see what market open does. I'm gonna be extremely bullish though off of it. Still hasn't opened. Okay, well, we opened insanely bearish, assuming we had news. I mean, continuation traders would probably take shorts off of this, but honestly, I'm interested in longs here. We just dipped into this hourly again. We have this 15-minute above here. Good draw on liquidity. We'll see what we build. Okay, we just tapped into... okay. Well, we didn't tap into this way more discounted 15-minute right here, which I'd be interested in this being tapped into. Maybe ES made a SMT with it. I don't know. If we have a V-shaped reaction here. Okay. So there we tapped into it. Now we had a reaction. Shit looks like ass. Yep. New day. Don't like it. Okay, so obviously bearish here. Can't see way too far to the left, but that's fine. I'm bearish. Can't see any draws. I'll just aim for a 1-1 here. Bearish here. We have this 1 hour above. See what market open does here. Okay, so we open high into this hourly gap here. Also super bullish off the 4 hour. Maybe we bounced off a liquidity or PD ray here. I don't know. But if we get an instant reaction, bearish, I'll be willing to take this because, yeah, we did have a bullish reaction here, but we're bouncing off a bearish PD ray this hourly, so we'll see here because this is a open high and then get a reaction lower. Okay, so we do this 2-minute closure here. I am going to take this. I'm confident. I can't see the PD raise to the PD raise to the left, but I'm just going to take this to this, yeah, like pre-market low. I'm going to take this. I do like it. I'm gonna go pretty heavy on this. Okay, there we go. See what we do here. Maybe just continue lower. Yeah, kind of choppy. All right. Ooh, I skipped way too far here. Oops. Okay. Okay, this is most likely like 2000s price action. One second here. Okay, well, looks like all-time highs. So, I mean, at this, I've only been through 2 cycles of this, so, I mean, any condition here, if we make this 5-minute, I'll just be willing to take a 5-minute continuation. So if we pull back into the 5-minute, I'll be willing to take longs out of it. Just want to look at, yeah, so we're just insanely bullish. We just green candle, green, doji, and then we just rip up again. But oh yeah, oh okay, so we're inside of this 4 hour. It just loaded, so this will be my main target, main liquidity right here. I guess I didn't see that, but I'll look for a pullback into this 5 minute. Okay, so we get a pullback into the 5 minute after open. And oh my god, I'm assuming this is a 30-second inverse. Okay, yeah, it definitely is. So I'm gonna take this. I'm assuming this will be a 30-second. I don't have the 30-second time frame on here. As you can see, don't have it. So I'm just gonna target 1-to-1 here. I don't know why I can't have a 30-second time frame. Stop will be at these body lows. Honestly, no. I'm TPing at this 4 hour. I'm confident in this. Nice. See what we do here. Oh, okay. Sweet.